Introduction. By the middle of the 19th century, scientists were attempting to classify the 60 elements that had then been discovered. Scientists were searching for a pattern that would arrange the elements into a logical order, based on their physical and chemical properties. The problem was confounded by the fact that not all the elements had then been discovered, and some of the properties of the elements had been determined incorrectly. Most of the credit for the periodic table has been attributed to the Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev. Mendeleev arranged the known elements in order of increasing relative atomic mass. He arranged the elements in rows and columns so that elements with similar physical and chemical properties appeared in vertical columns. In order to do this, Mendeleev left gaps in his table. This, he argued, was to allow for new elements yet to be discovered. He was also able to use properties of the then known elements to predict the properties of some of these new elements. Scandium, gallium and germanium were all discovered soon after and had properties very similar to those predicted by Mendeleev. There are problems, however, in arranging the elements in order of increasing relative atomic masses. Mendeleev placed tellurium before iodine, even though the relative atomic mass of tellurium is greater. He did this because the properties of tellurium are similar to those of oxygen, sulfur and selenium. Similarly, the properties of iodine are more like those of fluorine, chlorine and bromine. Today, the elements in the periodic table are arranged in order of atomic number.